Hey, Munio, me run away. Mamma, me run away. Sorry, me can so huge now, me run away. As I saw it, who been no who so cool me back? What who been no what whatever to so sad I'm campus now that's what come me back. I also me back me mama me.
It wasn't intentional. It wasn't intentional.
It wasn't intentional. Okay,
no. Calm down. Please, it wasn't intentional. I'm sorry.
Family, Mama,
I'm sorry.
It's on 1 month. You are sorry for what?
What are you doing? I'm sorry. Come on, Black Young. What are you doing about me? You are this romantic.
Are you sure?
Is it nice?
No. Don't take mine. See ya. Frankly speaking now, it really make me happy. It make me very, very, very happy. They're just accepting my proposal.
I still can't believe my eyes.
You still can't believe your eyes?
Yeah, I don't believe it.
Do you know something? Do you know what really made me surprised?
No.
The moment you told me you were also already crashing on me.
Oh, I had a crush on you.
Are you sure?
I've always had a crush on you. But I just didn't know how to tell you.
So, all this while that you've been treating me anyhow in front of your guy, does that mean you were in love with me?
I wanted attention. I already told you that.
Then I was blind. I was literally blind. I should have known this a long time.
No, you should.
I wouldn't have been roaming around in this precious and good.
You wasted your time with these girls.
But you were supposed to approach me.
How was I supposed to approach you when you were with Precious?
No, at least if you want something, no matter what, you have to still fight for it. So you were supposed to approach me and be like, oh Scanty, I'm in love with you, blah blah blah, I'm crashing on you, blah blah blah.
Let's forget about that.
Sure?
Just promise me one thing.
Seer, this is not a matter of promise.
I want you to promise me.
I swear to God, I will love you forever.
Promise.
It's a promise. I mean want something more than
Give
a
me your
promise.
hand and promise me.
I will love you till the end of this
time.
world.
Are you sure?
Yes. And even hereafter. Don't you believe me? Just looking into my eyes. What do you see? Yes, sure.
This place is really nice.
Are you sure? I wanted us to even go to the mall, but due to some reasons, I don't know.
Nah, that place is very crowded.
No, being crowded, I say, but you know, these are colleagues, they've been going there on weekends, so automatically someone might find us.
Let me take a picture of you.
Are you sure? Yeah, frankly speaking, you know, sorry to say this, you know, you don't have a good name on campus. Do you know that? So I want you to prove them wrong.
I'm actually proving them wrong. That's wrong with you.
You have to use the opportunity of this relationship to prove them wrong.
We all don't have good names on this campus.
But mine is better than yours.
At least I'm trying.
Yeah, you should. Can I trust you?
You can trust me 100%.
You should.
Now, what are you? How you? Heaven of Janiaco. What the boy is Janiaco, we are Pamno. What? Hey, bra. Heaven our boy. Who was no, we are sure no, yes, sure no. I bet you are no. One and not intentional. And I won't tete. Who bet you are say? Who bet you are since when? Hey, now call me so awesome. Soon I'm not a bonny. My old bonny. After I didn't know catch in my office, you know. Adam's Tibon Cosso, no catch and me. Ube me immediate free school. Ube me a pam me. Headmaster cry no more Kenya, unim concordia be faso. Who won't pay for any more betting the aquami here, one cherry, Mimi particular.
Goodness, I never said anything like that.
Hey!
I promise.
You promise who?
Oh, I never said anything like that.
Hey!
Adams told you that.
Adam's one can't go back.
I promise. I've never said anything.
Hey! And then I can't so yet.
I promise. I've not said anything.
Hey! One can say you see your son can say.
No.
We will see what me made you when me a pama free school.
Oh, what capacity do I have to do that? I don't.
Unia so kind. Unia so kind. She, me will say no codanching. A day, and no bapping for you so him. I wouldn't say Ghana ha and Mrache, Lord say, wo bapping for your tea and someone. No, to me, piano crochet ho.
I said it wasn't intentional. She was hitting me. We had a little argument and she was hitting me. And so I wanted her to stop. So I just pushed her a little. Then I feel like she pushed herself back and she fell. And that was the result.
Now Chimas Antoine Bobo, open for no moment you can't touch a dear Bobo.
Yeah.
And a whoop piano see. And all to cottager. Hey, and as Antoine watching a brim na china so feminine.
I was just going and she started insulting me. So I told her to stop that. Then she started fighting with me. Then I told her I don't want to fight with somebody who is pregnant. So I just pushed her so that she would just stop hurting me.
Any happen for about someone can crepa. Hey!
So when I pushed her, I don't think that kind of push can make someone fall. I feel like she added some. And she being dramatic led her to that. I'm not the one.
Hey! Asa who ya twuma dwene si bibi so. Hey, enso de enye hwe. Emfa ho nsie. Wodi ho sie ho na akwa ti say asa wa hyeda na wo yes ade no.
People are pointing fingers.
Na say no na akosu na ya me point me so. You na akosu mu no. Na kam na me point me so. Hey, so far as I don't want to can there, una only ever point the finger at you. Many ever pointing me so. Share. Your chere. Mama can chill. Ye di neko church unsimu. Headmaster. Ne church me unse say netie. U church man sem ya sum na sum ba. Ba u dwan ya. Obi abeka sa wo sheda. Una wo sheda na wo ye. Mutu school mu a munyenyenyenyenyenyenye muni ni mo sidi mbogu a no mo hai adwe mo de how na ebreye. Munyenyenyenye tumfu ba bia muntie. The tumfu bia muntie ene we ko fa trouble ba ni aso ni we ko fa ba ni aso ni adai. Muni mo mutifie krom ho ato mo. Ko ne ko kire wonsim. E ma me hu se udwan bi me ko hu headmaster ko kire wonsim. Ne hu se asem na aka no udi bi ma na so udi fo ne ehu die ebeye. Na hu dwan dia say that means udi fo.
Okay, say.
What you are make a show? Why
are you going back? Was I the reason you were coming?
Nan coming a day. Wouldn't you have my hair?
Oh, come on. Why are you crying?
I don't know what your brother wants from me. I don't know what Scanty wants from me. He's just going around spreading things about me, things that I've not done, things that I've not said. He met the school nurse or something and said things to him. I don't know what he told the school nurse. I think he told him that I said I want him to leave the school and I'm going to lie. I don't know. Like,
Precious, be sincere to me. What have you done to him?
To who?
Adams.
I've not done anything to him.
Because if exes are to be wicked like this, and Kami Mokunda are Precious. You dated me before Adams, and I don't know why he's. Are you sure he didn't do anything wrong to you?
No, I didn't.
It's just a breakup.
Yes. And even my reason for breaking up was sensible. Don't you think?
Well,
you have 3 girls, plus your brother is Aroma. Do you understand?
Aroma had only 1 girl, but you left me.
I'm serious.
Precious, what I want to tell you is, I don't want you to be stressing yourself over this. You and I know how wicked Adams is. I was even shocked when I heard that Adams is my brother. Up to date, I still don't want to believe it, but my dad said I should. I am accepting Adams as my brother because my dad wants me to. And that's the reason I have no choice. Adams is wicked, you know. So I don't want you to be stressing yourself over this.
But somebody has to talk to him for me. Somebody has to let him know that he has to stop talking about me, because it's really tarnishing my image in this school. Things that I've not said. He's trying to create fights between myself and other people.
Oh my God. Good morning, Daddy. Wow. Well, Adams, I'm sorry, Precious. Don't mind him. Don't listen. I will talk to him. I will try my best to talk to him. I don't know. I will ask him what he wants from me. Maybe he's up to something that you don't know. You understand? So I will talk to him if he wants anything from you and I can assist you. We get that thing for him and he just leave you alone. You understand? And mind you, Precious, you see how relationships have cost you. Precious, be careful. You don't have to rush yourself into any relationship again. The right people will come. The right person, let me put it that way, will come, Precious. Don't rush yourself into any relationship again, because look at what Adams is doing. Look at what he is doing to you. Where is he? Where is he now?
I don't know. I will not even get into any relationship again.
Adam,
I cannot bear it.
You can't bear it.
I will not date again.
Well, I will find him and talk to him. I'm just hoping that he accepts and leave you alone. You understand? So don't stress yourself, okay? Where are you going?
I was coming to see you.
Okay, now that you've seen me, where are you going again?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with me.
Headmaster, last day I can walk on no.
Mama Kulana Munkasei. What about Kasamano?
Kasei.
What happened?
So he said, as he said, I was having an argument with Asantua and she started hitting me. So in my defense, I was just pushing her to go back and she fell.
So she fell. So that's what happened. You did not hit her.
What's wrong, Mono? Why, anyway?
Was so I'm on Akolana Casa, Maminti Akolana Same. I don't know so Akolana no. You did not hit her. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Precious. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. I just pushed her.
You just pushed her. Just pushed her.
Yes.
And as I say, wo ni twin ase enu apin for banka no kore. Apin for banka no kore. Asem bie ba bo mo nyenyenyenyen so semba no mo be yegu a wotin je say ye nam say ye mo painful anti. No mo be yegu so. Work of how we dey about to nipa so me nipa ebre ko wo fi anka asem bie di na asem ko wo fi o se me ko wo fi headmaster mo jije mo wo how dey abre me.
Oh, how they are bro. Are they was one in each near?
My son, you to me, so I may call Hesse, no drew his and new crew in the ways away. You can if you ask a dent in it. I did a champ card, I won't say can be. Mr. Dent in my well, who zoom line also by NS. No, my Mr. Well, who zoom line also by NS. Huh? What more mature, the more bregu. Headmaster, what you feel? What you feel about fear money a beginner? And they go to fear na jo ahome. Me njima home me corner me ba me corner me. We share me njima home. South fit we de ja home. Huh? Me pia kwa adwuma na so beto me na me njima home. Wan sham se me pie. Huh? Wan sham se me pie. Adwuma no de oba school ma so oba be no. En na wo ye no. En hu ni ye hwe so de atua wo ka. Enti men complaining. Akwa ko wu fi anka we nyine ma. Akwa wo di bem. So wo fi so we are judge.
Sir, please, can I?
Asam na ba na ye kan we are judge. Ye din na enka asam na se na sitie.
Can I leave now?
Leave. I'll call you when I need you. You may leave.
Thank you, sir.
Go straight to the hostel. So I were in the new Sakola from Mutum. What also one yet? Woman, school be no hour yet. Mamma car Sambako. Sankolani Bichana Same, Canoe Yano Sahu. Document Tibo Poama, 37 crying you. Made myself move from a Casa Uber din some a bois, Uber Jim, feeling within some Jimmy now also. So the city be a catcher. One way. I'm from some famous Jimmy for.
It must have feel. I will feel. Yo,
Ube Jimiana. A quarter will be a wow.
That's not fast. You can't be wasting your senior brother's time with you, huh? Senior brother, is everything okay? Cool. Are you sure you're fine? Yeah, I'm fine. But have you eaten this one? Yes. I've asked you what a senior brother is supposed to ask his younger brother, so I think I have to leave. We've been standing here for 2 good minutes. You've not been talking more than 2 minutes. Why? Because I want to process things. I don't want to say the wrong thing. I just want us to have a peaceful conversation. That's why.
Wait. Don't come and tell me that the money that our dad sent last week, mine is missing again. Since you've calmed down, I know you very well.
Adams, it's not about money. In fact, I can even give you all the money if you want. I can give you, including my share. I can give it to you.
You want the Air Force back? Honest boy, you're coming from out.
Master, bro, this is not Air Force matter. Adams, listen. I want to talk to you as a junior brother. I know you've always wanted to be the senior brother. Yeah, you are. Adams, can you please stop what you're doing to Precious? Adams. Listen, I don't know how the girl has hurt you, but I just want you to know that doing this won't help. Adams, can you please let her be? For once.
So wait, Aroma. Did you call me here because of Precious or because of something else and you are just starting
Adams,
with
I called you here
conversation?
because of Precious. Because I don't like what I heard. I don't like it at all, Adams.
And how did you hear?
You know what you want to do? You want to cause a problem for this girl in this school. Why do you want to do that?
What problem do I want to cause for her? Huh? What problem do I want to cause for her?
You are denying again.
Whatever is going on between me and Precious, we agreed. We've agreed to battle each other. So whatever is going on between me and Precious, just leave it
Battle?
between.
Can you even hear yourself? You want to fight this girl, Charlie? What is it? What at all do you want from her? Tell me, what do you want from her?
Me, Precious, I need nothing from her. And besides, even as at that time that we were dating, I didn't love Precious.
Hey!
So I don't need anything. I don't want to see her on this camp. I don't even want to hear her name. So I need nothing from that stupid girl.
Now you refer to Precious as stupid. Adams. And then who did not refer to Precious as stupid?
Hey, I am regret it. A mama dating you and I'm gonna say miracle. So because say Scanty I could date John Gary. Your mom no more really. Precious never found fully no. I don't love her. And I didn't love her. So
well,
the
Adams,
worker will just let it
if
be.
you didn't love Precious, listen, Adams, that's your problem. You know, I don't have any problem if you don't love her. And you know, love is not by force. I can't force you to love her. But the thing is, now that you guys are no more together, let her be. Adams, let the girl be. Let her breathe. Come on, bro. What's my bro? Man, I don't know my girl.
You are my junior brother.
This.
But it seems you don't know my policy when it comes to relationship matter. My policy is that if you're a girl and I date you, if I have a thing with you, even just for a day, and we break up, you don't have the right to date any other guy. Meanwhile, I don't still love that girl again.
But this is real.
Real.
Like for real, that's
real.
you. For real, pa, that's you. When you date somebody, you don't want to see the person with anybody.
No. And I'm penny bill. On a name house. So that's how I want to see Precious. That's why you're stranded.
With all due respect, please leave the girl alone.
Aroma, what I want to do to this girl, you know, school my no follow story. I am Precious.
Oh yeah, me I'm embroso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my.
Just here. So really, say me no cause some kwon. Nkose some kwa. Anse na issue we na ebeba no. Me di kan che ne tena ase. Ka che ne say ontwene hu free memma na oni omudidi agro ne ho na me mpesa. Enye say betwe ade bia ba ade na bekokofa consequence and the consequence. And the consequence so you should stop when tie ana akofa we nyina boy. Senti we de dentia me no di nkomo no 7% ka we me nuane di na ko free school mo. Patron, percent ka we ne di na ko free school mo. Magje ni aka de.
Oh yeah. Me pese we yi na di kura o because say o ha me. Say ya di anka de o ye ne kura nko obeja ya anka mani peche.
Magje, listen. Matilda na say ya say obi ya so de no betu no fo no wonti, especially when you are I understand you perfectly, but what I want you to understand is kasachre.
It's incredible.
Huh?
It's incredible.
It's incredible. Na say ne wo incredible o ye dey say Magje kan kenye ni o. Magje waso ye dene. Ye kasachre na wunti. After the on say ye more the taste of your own pills. On ya. So on ye from school mo. Mo ya so de ne ye ka munti mo hu ye from school mo. We ne kakra ni o.
You quite African Martin Sembias you.
Say ma me no mutu ye for osi eti.
Yes muti. Wunni usha wonte bibia se wunni a.
Because oye de ya oba be ya eba be ye bia chen.
We de wunni aba.
Ana ye misa.
Ana ye osa na wusu. Enti kan hu se kwan bia so na e kasa kire. Ya de ne be kasa. Ya de ne be kasa na bibia ni a. Se wunni completely kra na wanted to so.
Unja ebe kra na unja reasonity.
Eye de ne de magje. Ye nyini pa di sa. Ye wo kwan a akwala wo school mu a ne ma bi wo no ma etochi ma betimi de ye nyina so eyi na di. Na just like that no ya akwala di de be nya na sa. Kasa na be kasa kire no. Se be ya aboma na ni adafo. Na nani so ade hunu no. Na nsaka. Na se wo kasa mi nyina di no. Okotena fia woni ni obe.
Anu de nka me fa ho, ende nka makomante.
Wa komante so
wo ha no. Se ade ye no se wani gusu ni atwa onua ba o.
And say if you so what them are, we also be phone you about in a pie.
And you didn't come in from home.
Oh yeah, me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months at your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah, I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah, yeah, me pen kwada me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso Jamaica. Me person me come any months so when Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy will be done, no, hallowed be thy name. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Oh my Ukanya, oh my hallowed be thy name. So Jehovah, hallowed be thy name. Let thy will be done, no. Hallowed be thy name. I mean, know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in Broso with Maya.
Asantwa, tell me what really happened. I'm very, very worried right now.
Precious. Just a minute, baby. Meaning the baby, the movie, the I say, or payment of hobby. I was trying to avoid her.
Relax. I know it is very, very painful. In fact, I'm even confused at why Precious would do something like this. But please, relax. It is sad, yes, you have lost a baby, but you know God knows why things happen. It's okay. Just relax. Everything will be okay. As long as you are still alive, that's what matters now. Don't think too much about it. You should now focus on getting back to full health. Relax, and everything will be alright. Oh, my dear, no, okay. Right now, what do you need medicine? Do you need food? What do you need? Just tell me. Let me get it for you.
I have everything.
You have everything, so you're okay. Oh, please, in case of anything, don't miss the chance at all to come and call me. Hey, Asantwa. Oh, come. It's okay. Oh.
Hey. Na ucha musako. I don't want me. Baby. Aroma. Baby.
Huh.
Shay. What's wrong with me, Anna?
But I am not ready for this, Miss Rowe. I'm in a hurry, me Pastor. I'm going to class, as you can see.
You are not ready for what? What am I heading? Miss Wuchem, not the well, a simple question. I mean, this now you are not ready for this whole class and the mission hole.
What do you want from me? Then a day now, perfume me. What do you want?
They no come on, Iddi, you know. What dream, no, me parents.
I'm come on, Iddi. What are you talking about?
And 20 years old. And come on, I mean, would dear, no catch me, say, when you want to minimum Nebium, my son, I catch a man, can't you say? Me no me, and dear, intimacy and them. Into Quana quadrin, bra.
Britta, please. As I said, I am not ready for this. It is too early for this. Me call class, me power chow. And listen, I made you aware, say I can't continue this with you. You know, my culture, and yes, I mean, can be biancho. You know, say me say I can't. Rita, I can't.
Like, me kono cool like mawa as a womb pill. Me kono cool mawa womb pill. Who say me chairman class is a mature one?
Ah, you why?
Why is he saying?
Is it Addy? Me didn't do what's up?
When you Jimmy who be where the amana cast and one uncle fast your pass here.
Jesus Christ.
Say Jesus, I'm Fenya me and Bemo. One uncle fast here, no, your mother see our open.
Rita, please. You are disgracing yourself.
Disgrace. I don't want a number.
You can't be talking like this here.
Hey, baby, be calm. Nature is how John line now, Jam and him now. We are pay ye be pay. So, when me, my hair is saying.
Let me John.
Now when him saw a John.
What?
Put it there, I catch him so any major who saw a John. Who shoe no one animal saw a John. Like I told him, say.
You mean shoe, name me home. And I won't say me a John.
Now him saw a John.
But still, you want John.
Yanka John.
Me a John, but you want John.
Some of them yana me for na one name for me.
Hey, infamy sir, mammy uncle.
Me for sir.
Rita, please, infamy sir. My infamy John, and name me home. I don't want you, please.
Share, you don't want who? Atia kemo ma fole papa atia kem so oni ma no kuza scanty ya me de ye no wo no minim de ohun me ho na aka chem se wa fole ama me no ya love nti na ma na se me bre me ho ase but it dia aka chem se oni meja na mu ze wo nti mu ze wo
makuru wa yin pare me. Better listen, I was being nice to you. Better you don't know me. Yeah, and so Basco man, you came to meet a pastor. You don't know me. Better so the media grow. Eh? We go around and ask them who I am. Kwana ko bisa omo.
Where your wine?
Jesus Christ.
Where your wine? When you cry na mama so sabe ka say me dia. Chira. This time any be this anko money be mati. So when me medjai.
Go man, so right here. Here go man, so Rita, I won't touch you. When himself me downfall, but I won't touch you. It's good.
Once I say me to meet you, you will be too one na kawo. Me come na tum sa kom.
Oda kawo.
Nem say me di me kese me be kan hu de ye.
Oh kasa fast na ma bre. Asam ko jema home.
Headmaster de tie ni say eye akure ye wo and be wu asanto yi. Wonem skuma banche wo ko fa ha wo bi ba ko wu akura ni tiri hu nyina pa tuntuntuntum wi si akọ betana se kwanka akura ketu wu nyante na ntiri hu apa. De tie ni say de adu no esi etimi fra akura na abusuafo ne maame ne papa no mo ba na de o mu mbehwe no mo fo ma de ekọ no mu ndi o mbeye no dan say akura yi wonem skuma si wanyem atena skuma anu ma e de awo wo wie nso wo sa de tia no se ni se nti na de bia me na breda me so
akola no so ye tuntum se ni ti apa wo panyin kwa ti apa de bia wo bodura akola keto ande wa sembe akola no se bi wonyam no ya mo na busu afa amane ye timi akora na ma wakwa wo so koye no enye ne pe ne bai but at least wono no wafa no ho na ne bana ne nsanka na is okay and don't you think say nyansa wom say betna se meeting na yanka say abudodo hu ne hu kwan ba fa so a ye ba handle situation than say trip na ka catch and family say ka catch and family o man dey
headmaster
wanyem wan fa na nkofi wa wo wie na ne nsanka ne ba na de ne kofi enti ne ewu kanyansa be ne wo
headmaster we meeting be ni we are central meeting be ni anyone say a man wa busuafo ya fra mu ba no what school so onyem ye ni mo di siesi oba school atade ehye ni setie ni wa enti mu fa ne nko asem be biem
ye kan ampo ye so bia pe be kwase agro nso pe so ba wo ba kwase
a no
mk butiri nti adwen be pa no wo what do you say what you mom too much where then I pass away exams on nursing school
and master me medicine e twere me metim pass
Enye nyame ahu. Kamidu tiba bodani.
Headmaster, how do you meet the body?
We are Jijifo, MK. We are Jijifo. What did you mean? And to me free school. What can ya me ba beti ma home no? Ene gidigidi wo be gina me ha no e kasa abotisem we akere me.
You know say me can abotisem ne dey.
MK.
Asema
ya wo kan nyansa nim. Ya di adwene ene ya ade. Adwen ko ne nyansa nko. Nti wo ya ade a dwen. Ka fu me nko.
I don't know say akora me buso say asanto ne pa die be pa no hu asanto no a ye kan say me enka chinchinchi akora nko wo so ma ne ko wa be wo school mu a wo wo so ne buso fon me fa no so eno so wo sa gya som
uja wo kan samhu no ne buso fa be fa do mo ba fa da ko chinchin ga na mo de no be de
ene no me ka Lomo on me abeli was
me ka wo dum ho mo focus on floor
headmaster me doing me see mama police for ancho na nyame a me ni see mama police for ancho man so me boudua
bobo me dua asia
me see me mama police for ancho kwa na nyame a wow